Question number 3. Integration 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 into dx. Let 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. X minus 2 x minus 3 multiplied by a, and this will be cancelled. So 3x minus 1 is equal to x minus 2 x minus 3. X minus 2 x minus 3 times of a plus x minus 1 x minus 3 times of b plus x minus 1 x minus 2 times of c. In case of c, x minus 1 into x minus 2, and denominator this will be cancelled, and we get 3x minus 1. That is x raised to power 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5x plus 6 times of a plus x square minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x plus 3b plus x square minus 3x plus 2c, that is equal to 3x minus 1. Equation will be x square, that is a plus b plus c equal to 0. First equation, that is 0, x square term is 0, and second equation will be minus 5a minus 4b minus 3c. Minus 5a minus 4b minus 3c is equal to 3. Coefficient of x is 3. And third equation will be 6a plus 3b plus 2c equal to minus 1. Constant term is minus 1. First of all, we are adding first, second, third. Adding 1, 2, and 3. We get 6a plus 7a minus 5a, that is equal to 2a. 4b minus 4b 0, and 2c plus c, 3c minus 3c 0. Then we get 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we get the value of a is equal to 2 upon 2 and a is equal to 1. We get the value of a. Adding first, second, and third equation, we get the value of a is equal to 1. And put a is equal to 1 in equation first, then b plus c is equal to, this will be minus 1 in equal, and minus 5 minus 4b minus 3c is equal to minus 5, this will be positive, 3 plus 5, 8. Multiplying equation fourth, this is fourth equation and fifth equation. Equation fourth by 4. We get multiplying equation 4 by 4. 4b plus 4c is equal to minus 4. Minus 4b minus 3c is equal to 8. And adding we get c is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. C is equal to 4. We are putting c is equal to 4 in here. Then b will be, b is equal to minus 1 minus 4. So b is equal to minus 5. C put in equation 4. Then 4 will be negative in right, and minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. We get the value of a, b, and c. and putting the value of a, b, c in integration, a is equal to 1. 1 upon x minus 1 dx, b is equal to minus 5. Out of integration, dx upon x minus 2, and value of c, we get 4. 4 is out of integration, then dx upon x minus 3. So log of x minus 1 minus 5 times of log of x minus 2 plus 4 times of log of x minus 3 plus constant c. Answer. Question number 4. X upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. X is equal to multiplying first, that is x minus 2, x minus 3 times of a plus x minus 1, x minus 3 times of b plus x minus 1, x minus 2 times of c. X is equal to, this is same as question number, denominator is same as question number 3rd, then this will be x square minus 5x plus 6 times of a plus x square minus 4x plus 3 times of b plus x square minus 3x plus 2 times of c. And a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is 0 and coefficient of x is 1. So second, that is minus 5a minus 4b minus 3c is equal to 1. Coefficient of x is equal to 1. And third equation, that is 6a plus 3b plus 2c is equal to 0. This is 0. And its equation first, second, third. Now solving first, second and third, adding first, second and third, we get 6a plus 1, 7a minus 5a, that is equal to 2 times of a. This is 0, this will be 0, is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 upon 2. We get the value of a is equal to 1 upon 2. So b plus c is equal to minus 1 upon 2. A is shifting right, this will be negative. And minus 5 upon 2. Minus 4b minus 3c is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. That is 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7 upon 2. So we get, which implies minus 4b minus 3c is equal to 7 upon 2. Multiplying equation, this is equation number 4, equation number 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 4, and we get 4b plus 4c is equal to minus 2, and minus 4b minus 3c is equal to 7 upon 2. And adding, we get 4b is cancelled, and c is equal to minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. That is minus 4 plus 7 upon 2 implies 3 upon 2. C is equal to 3 upon 2. We are putting C is equal to 3 upon 2 in equation number 4. B is equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2, positive will be negative, then value of B, we get minus 4 upon 2, that is minus 2. Value of B is equal to minus 2. A is 1 by 2, B is minus 2, C is 3 by 2. We are putting the value of A, B and C in this integration. We get A is 1 by 2 out of integral dx upon x minus 1. B is minus 2, that is integration of dx upon x minus 2. And value of C we get 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 and integration of dx upon x minus 3. 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 minus 2 times of log of x minus 2 plus 3 upon 2 times of log of x minus 3 plus constant C. Answer. Thank you.